There's an intoxicating allure to this city. There's an essence to its people that can't be extracted and sold. Built upon bedrock enriched with the blood and sweat of the hardest working. In clubs, in alleyways, from dusk till dawn's debut. Melodies blend, nights never end. It's not all sunshine and rainbows though. In fact, those two are hardly ever about. Still, we stand tall and proud, angled towards the east, rooted down by the trunk. We may be divorced from the sun, but we got soul in the prenup. In the mosaic of faces that graces our streets, diverse hues intertwine, painting a tapestry of unity, where every shade contributes to the pulse of her heartbeat. We're not always on the same page, but we are a city united, echoing the rivalry that's part of our vibrant design. And yeah, it's a little bitter outside. It's like that most days. Trust me, our kid. You'll get used to it. We're known for canals, but we're renowned for markets, hustle, baselines, train lines, tram tracks, kebabs. So don't believe what they say about her. It's not always grim up here. Manchester. Undeniably gritty, infinitely vibrant. A city that echoes a symphony of people, forged with the spirit of transcendence, embracing the warmth of its unshakable soul.